A deficiency in what part of the body would lead to inefficient absorption of dietary lipids? With the key word here being absorption, the hallmark of the small intestine. And so yes, indeed, we are talking about absorption in the small intestine, but more specifically, we're talking about dietary lipids. We're talking about absorption of fats. And the structure that's going to be doing that for us is the lacteal. All along the inside of the small intestine, we're going to have these bumpy projections called villi that increase surface area for absorption. Within these villi, there's a separate structure called the lacteal, represented by this blue tube. These lacteals being the structure that are responsible for efficient lipid absorption. Answer choices A and C, chief cells and parietal cells, are actually cells associated with the stomach. Recall that the stomach is the organ of the body responsible for mechanical and chemical breakdown of food, in particular proteins and fats, with the chief cells releasing gastric lipase and pepsinogens, and the parietal cells releasing gastric juice. Since both of these cells aid in resource breakdown and not absorption, particularly not the absorption of lipids, they are both incorrect. Next, we have goblet cells, which are cool, but still not related to the absorption of lipids. Goblet cells release mucus, and they can be found in both the digestive system and the respiratory system. In the digestive system, this mucus is going to protect the small intestine from acidic chyme, a semi-liquid combination of digested food and acidic gastric juices. Important, but once again not associated with absorption.